Hey, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring that bell as well, because then you get all my videos. You don't miss one. That's fantastic. Today's video, hey, look what my wife got me. An eggplant. Look how huge this thing is. On sale, 69 cents a pound. That's fantastic. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I never know, like, do I peel it or don't I peel it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel it halfway. I'm gonna peel every other stripe. All right, I'm negotiating with myself. Fantastic. Okay, so I want to cut this eggplant about half-inch slices. There you go, just like that. What I'm going to do now is use a little spray oil and give a nice little coating of oil on the eggplant. Then I'm going to take some salt. Oh, about half a teaspoon. I'm going to sprinkle it from up high, because if you sprinkle it down low, you get clumps of salt, it gets salty. You sprinkle up high, it gets like you want to rain salt on the eggplant. So you sprinkle up high like that, and you get a nice coating of salt. I'm going to do the same thing with black pepper. Now I have to turn these over. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Half teaspoon of salt. A nice sprinkling of pepper. Preheated 400 degrees, 15 minutes. Okay, so I got this pan hot and then on medium heat. And I threw in 2 onions that I chopped up about 1/4 of an inch dice. I gotta cook these for a good 5 minutes. I want these to be cooked, but not brown. Okay, so the onions look good. Now I have to add some garlic. 6 cloves of garlic. Look at that. Look at those. I sliced them. If you chop it fine, it's gonna be spicy. So I didn't chop these fine. I kept these kind of big. I sliced them. So it's going to be more sweet and pungent. That's why I like this recipe. That's why I sliced them. Okay, I add them to the onion. Now I got to add a little white wine. I got a nice little Pinot Grigio. Hey, I had a glass last night. I didn't finish the bottle, so I'm going to use some today. You know, about a half a cup. Hold on a second. I got wet my eye. Oh yeah, that's delicious. You don't have to cook with a $100 bottle of wine, but the wine should be good. Okay, you want to reduce this until it's not quite dry. Okay, the eggplant's been in the oven. Actually, I set it for 20 minutes. I added an extra 5 minutes to it. Now I gotta flip them over. Okay, so I cooked the eggplant for 20 minutes instead of 15. Flipped them over, another 20 minutes. That's my timer. 20 minutes. Okay, now I gotta put tomatoes in here, but not just any tomato. San Marzano tomato. Hey, it's the best. Why not use the best, right? All right. Okay, so don't forget to wash your hands and just break up these tomatoes. So you see, almost all the wine's gone. It's just a little bit of moisture in there. And it smells terrific. Add your San Marzano tomatoes. Gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. And half a teaspoon dry oregano. And I'm also gonna add a half a teaspoon. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of aleppo pepper. Hey, aleppo pepper is like the spicy red pepper flakes, but half the amount of heat, so it's not too hot. It has a nice, like the flavor of almost a mixture of sun-dried tomatoes and a little cumin overtones. Nice. That's gourmet for, ooh, it's delicious. Gotta check out aleppo peppers. Okay, so that's your sauce. That's it. The only thing we're going to add a little bit of, I didn't add, 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now put this on very low light for 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes each side. Look at that color. That's beautiful color. That's what it should look like. Now, the small pieces stack together over here. The bigger pieces put together over here. Big piece I'll cut in quarters. Little pieces just in half. Okay. In the tomato sauce it goes. I'm going to use a towel just to break it up and to spread it around like that. Okay, it's terrific. Smells wonderful. Now we got to cook our pasta and put the whole thing together. All right. Okay, it's time to make the pasta. I'm going to use some pane. I got Ronzoni here. It was on sale. It's okay. But look what I got. Costco size. Regular size. Costco size. I'm going to use a pound of pasta. I have about a gallon of water boiling with a tablespoon of salt. Very important. Add that salt to the water. I'm going to add about a pound of pasta. Okay, so I boil the pasta, take about 10 minutes or so, and that's my dog barking. Okay, I just gave my dog some water. Very good. So I cooked a pound of pasta in a gallon of water with a tablespoon of salt in it. Very good. You can't do it without salt. You gotta have salt in that water. Give the pasta some flavor. What I do is take a measuring cup and take out about a cup of water. Okay, just hold it on the side. You're going to need it later. Okay, I'm going to drain this pasta. Ooh, look at that. Smells terrific. Then I'm going to throw the pasta in with the sauce. Hey, see it's a little dry? That's what the pasta's water for. Okay, I'll put about half a cup of water in there. Hey, that's fantastic. You know what else is fantastic? You gotta check out my spinach lasagna. Woo! I'll knock your socks off. Check out my spinach lasagna, and I'll see you there.